Welcome. So now let's come to this conclusion part. Proactive people don't wait around for things to happen. They take conscious efforts and actions to achieve the goal, and they have the right mindset. Like mindset is they plan ahead, they take initiatives. That is why they are often the highest achievers. You can be one. It is not a magical thing. You have to. It is not a superpower thing. You have to learn this skill. It is a learnable skill. We go to gym and learn training and all, and then we achieve the results. Similarly, you can learn this skill, and you will be proactive. Like we have created a goal card. You can how to apply proactive thinking for true freedom and real growth. So you have to create long-term goals, and similarly, I've asked you to create a goal card, short-term goal card, long-term goal card, write start date and date, be specific, and read affirmations, write goals every day, and listen to the stranger's secrets. And this is how you will become proactive. These are proactive exercises. You have to do it, and you will achieve the long-term goal, short-term goal. And what is next is that you have to upgrade to gold level, where we learn to apply the skills, tactical, strategical, all these skills. Whatever we have learned, digital skills, how to get your course online done in a minimum cost. And after that, you have to upgrade to diamond, where we'll learn about artificial intelligence and automation, and then we have level 4, where we only take 100 people per year. Thank you so much. Kindly write your comments, whatever you have learned in this program, and also rate us on Trustpilot and 5-star. Give a 5-star review. Thank you so much. Thank you.